Hey everyone, welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update. We have a critical update on Shiba Inu, a project that has captured the imagination of the crypto world. Recently, there's been some bad news for Shiba Inu holders, and it could have a lasting impact on the price of SHIB. We'll be talking about a massive $90,000 exploit in the ShibDao and what it means for the future of this meme coin. Stick around because this could affect both short-term and long-term investors. But before we dive into all the details, if you're enjoying the content, make sure to smash that like button, share your thoughts on Shiba Inu's future in the comments below. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more crypto news and analysis. Let's get right into it. So what exactly happened? It all started with what was supposed to be a step toward further decentralization for Shiba Inu. On August 24th, the Shiba Inu development team introduced the ShibDao, a decentralized autonomous organization that would allow the community to govern the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This was part of a larger plan to make the Shiba Inu project more transparent and community-driven. With the DAO in place, token holders were given the power to vote on various governance proposals, ensuring that decisions would be made for the benefit of the entire community, not just a small group of developers. However, things took a turn for the worse in early September. On September 2nd, it was discovered that a malicious actor had taken advantage of the DAO's governance system to steal 37.5 ethereum worth approximately $90,000 that had been donated to the Shiba Inu project by Wellies, the fast food chain officially associated with Shiba Inu. The funds were originally intended for the community, and a proposal was submitted to the DAO to decide how the money should be spent. The voting process was supposed to end on September 4th, but instead, a bad actor created a new wallet, transferred the funds, and split them across multiple wallets. From there, the Ethereum was moved to centralized exchanges, making it difficult for the community to recover the stolen funds. This is a big deal because the ShibDao was meant to be a shining example of decentralized governance. The exploit has raised concerns about the security and transparency of the DAO, and has shaken the confidence of many within the Shiba Inu community. How did the Shiba Inu price react? Now let's talk about the price of Shiba Inu and how it's been affected by this exploit. Over the last few weeks, Shiba Inu has been trading within a consolidation range, showing no major price movements in either direction. The price has been fluctuating around the $0.0000133 level, with occasional spikes, such as in mid-August when it briefly climbed higher. However, following the news of the exploit, Shiba Inu's price has slipped by 0.9% in the past 24 hours, now trading at $0.0000133. While this might not seem like a massive drop, it's crucial to understand that Shiba Inu is at a critical point. The project is currently experiencing low market activity, and the exploit has only added fuel to the fire. But why does this matter? The exploit raises questions about the project's security and governance. And let's face it, confidence is key in any market, especially in crypto. When investors start questioning the security of a project, it's common to see a sell-off. If this doubt continues to grow, we could see further downward pressure on Shiba Inu's price in the coming weeks. When we talk about price movements, we can't ignore the technical side of things. If we look at Shiba Inu's price action over the last month, there's a worrying development. The price is showing signs of forming a head and shoulders pattern, which is a classic bearish reversal indicator. So what exactly is a head and shoulders pattern? It's a formation on the price chart that typically signals that a bullish trend is about to reverse into a bearish one. The pattern consists of three peaks: the left shoulder, the head, which is the highest point, and the right shoulder. Once the right shoulder is formed, the price often drops sharply. For Shiba Inu, the left shoulder and head are already in place. If the price rises by 8% to $0.000001450, the right shoulder will form. But here's where it gets tricky. If Shiba Inu fails to break through the top of the range at $0.000001450, we could see a major drop. A rejection at this level could lead to a 9% decline, bringing the price back down to $0.000001300. And it doesn't stop there. If the price breaks below $0.0001300, Shiba Inu could drop another 15%, all the way down to $0.000001095. This would complete the bearish reversal pattern and could spell trouble for short-term investors. It's important to note that technical analysis isn't always 100% accurate, but these patterns have been reliable indicators in the past. So for those holding Shiba Inu, this is definitely something to keep a close eye on. Not everything in the Shiba Inu ecosystem is bad news, though. Recently, there was a significant announcement from the Shiba Inu marketing team. On September 5th, Lucy, the head of marketing for Shiba Inu, revealed the launch of the ShibDev portal. This portal is designed to attract developers to the Shibarium blockchain, encouraging more on-chain activity and development. The goal is to make it easier for developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, and contribute to the ecosystem. Why is this important? Historically, on-chain development has been a good indicator of future price movements. When a blockchain sees increased development activity, it usually leads to higher network utility, which can drive demand for the native token, in this case, Shiba Inu. The hope is that with the ShibDev portal, we'll see a resurgence in development activity on Shibarium. But let's not sugarcoat it. Right now, the Shibarium blockchain is struggling. According to Shibarium scans, several key on-chain metrics have dropped significantly. The number of active accounts has reached an all-time low, and the number of new transactions has also plummeted. Even more concerning is the sharp decline in block production. On September 4th, the network produced 17,222 new blocks. By September 5th, that number had dropped to 5,740, a more than 50% decline in less than 24 hours. The number of new contracts and verified contracts on the network is also on the downslope, indicating that developers may be losing interest in building on Shibarium. This is why the ShibDev portal is so important. If it succeeds in attracting new developers to the platform, it could reverse the current downward trend and potentially lead to higher on-chain activity, which could in turn help boost Shiba Inu's price. While the ShibDev portal offers a potential lifeline for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, the current price action suggests that we might be heading into a bull trap. A bull trap occurs when the price temporarily rises, leading investors to believe that the asset is in a bullish trend, only for the price to reverse sharply, causing significant losses for those who bought in at the top. If Shiba Inu's price rises by 8% to $0.00001,450, as we mentioned earlier, it could trigger the completion of the head and shoulders pattern, but if it fails to break above that level, we could see a sharp decline. For long-term holders, this might not be a big deal, as Shiba Inu has proven to be a resilient project with a strong community. But for traders looking for short-term gains, this is a risk you'll want to consider. Can Shiba Inu recover? Despite the current bearish outlook, Shiba Inu still has potential for a price recovery. The project has a massive dedicated community that has helped it survive in a highly competitive market. If the general market conditions improve and the ShibDev portal successfully brings more developers to Shibarium, we could see Shiba Inu's price rise to $0.0001600 and beyond. But for that to happen, the Shiba Inu team will need to regain the trust of the community, especially after the $90,000 exploit. Transparency and security will be key moving forward. In conclusion, the $90,000 exploit in the ShibDao is a significant blow to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It has raised concerns about the security and transparency of the